Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanjay Gaikwad, Assistant Professor from Department of Geography and Research Center, Parvatibai Chogle College of Arts and Science, Vadgaon. I welcome you all to the course Spatial Analysis, Semester 3. Dear friends, you all know technological advantage that has been introduced in the form of remote sensing and GIS to the geography presently deals with various sorts of issues or phenomena. They are all spatially distributed. Geographers well know that what means space around you. The space is three-dimensional and the time is an additional dimension to it. When the data comes with a space and time that need to be analyzed using the GIS softwares, where the point, line and polygon data are analyzed. Even the raster data are also analyzed in integration with the vector data sets. We all call them integratedly the spatial analysis. Let us see the details of this course as spatial analysis. You will be taking up this course for 100 marks, that is 4 credits. First part of this is theory, 75 marks, 3 credits and 45 lecture hours. Second part of it is practicals, 25 marks, 1 credit and 15 sessions of 2 hours duration. The course is designed keeping in mind the objective of introducing fundamentals of spatial analysis through pattern recognition, interpolation, location and topographical analysis. Once you complete this course, you all will be able to differentiate between spatial and attribute data used in GIS software. You will be also able to process raster data in raster processing softwares, especially we call images, as well as you will also be able to process vector data in GIS. You will be acquiring very good skills of spatial analysis, and at the end you will be able to prepare independently various three-dimensional models from topographic data to study the morphometric processes of terrain. We have 3 units in total in this course. Unit 1 is dealing with the introductory part of spatial analysis. It talks about concepts, functions of spatial data analysis, characteristics, importance of geodatabase, topology and types, concepts and source of spatial and non-spatial data. It is followed by Unit 2 with the concept and methods of spatial interpolation, and also deals with raster analysis and overlay analysis. Unit 3 deals with topographic analysis, that is digital elevation modeling, slope, aspect, flow accumulation, flow direction and various hydrological or morphological modeling can be done using this topographic analysis. The practical part of this paper is split over the 2 topics. First topic is vector operations, where you will be using single layers or multi layers to analyze dissolve, buffer, multi-ring buffers, vector operations, clip, erase, merge or insert. You will be also dealing with raster operations like clipping, mosaicing, spatial queries and non-spatial queries. You will also be able to generate and run the query analysis. Next part of the practical course gives you hands-on experience of interpolation. It may be like inverse distance weighted method, topo to raster transformation. You will also be handling point, line and polygon data under the vector processing. Friends, we are recommending some books as a mandatory readings and there are some supplementary readings. The details of this are given in your syllabus that is available on Google Classroom. We also have introduced some websites. Web links are also given in the syllabus. Let us come to the scheme of assessment. As the policy of department, we have opted for continuous assessment, midterm test, semester end and continuous assessment of practicals. So all CAs means continuous assessment will be assessed for 30 marks. It consists assignment, poster presentation, midterm test and demonstration of one of the practical. There will be a semester end examination of 45 marks and continuous assessment of practical will be 25 marks. Altogether it will be 100 marks paper. We will also like to share the learning material on Google Classroom and CLAP. Our Google Classroom link for Spatial Analysis course 2020 is GDTKYMA. Dear friends, I expect you will be regularly visiting Google Classroom and sharing your experiences of online learning. Once again, I welcome you all to the course Spatial Analysis. Thank you for patient hearing.